In space, there are hundreds of millions of pieces of space debris hurtling above your head. The pieces range from pebble-sized specks to bus-sized satellites and rocket remnants. Active satellites above us are useful to communicate. But the chaotic space junk in lower orbit is a three-pipe problem. There is no easy solution. This is spaces. As NASA says, space debris encompasses both natural meteoroids and human-made orbital debris. And the amount of orbital debris is growing more and more. Over 2,000 satellites are sent into orbit. It was about 80 previously. According to the Union of Concerned Scientists, there were about 1,700 satellites in low Earth orbit, or LEO, in 2016. As many as 57,000 could be in LEO by 2030. More than 40,000 of them belong to SpaceX's Starlink satellite internet constellation. This map, created by the University of Texas, indicates how things are getting all balled up. More satellites mean an increased risk of collision, resulting in large quantities of new orbital debris. NASA says 23,000 pieces of orbital debris are currently orbiting the Earth. They are larger than a softball. In addition to them, about 100 million pieces of junk 1 millimeter and larger are in question. Pentagon tracks about 27,000 pieces floating the orbit to prevent possible damage to our planet. The exponentially increasing amount of orbital debris is a growing danger to space vehicles, including the International Space Station and China's space station. A piece of space junk sometimes hurtles through the atmosphere to crash into Earth. Remember China's rocket that thankfully fell into the Pacific Ocean? It is clear that space junk will continue to threaten us with physical harm if responsibility is not taken. Most satellite operators let functionless junk burn up in the sky when it falls back to Earth. That's not ideal because large debris sometimes doesn't fully burn up before hitting the Earth. As a result, the burn process releases harmful chemicals into the atmosphere in any case. The United States has been working to figure out how to reasonably recycle the debris. The country released a strategy indicating a roadmap for the space debris problem. According to the document, the White House wants to help make in-orbit maintenance and recycling the exception rather than the rule. The United Nations also passed a resolution designed to reduce the amount of orbital debris. In 2021, Russia used Assat missiles to destroy a Soviet-era satellite called Cosmos 1408. However, this attempt caused thousands of pieces of space debris that forced astronauts and cosmonauts aboard the International Space Station to seek shelter then. The ISS conducted at least 29 debris avoidance maneuvers between 1999 and early 2021, according to NASA.